How to connect AirPods to PC or laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video, we will learn how we can connect your AirPods to your PC or laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. On your laptop, you have to go to your Windows settings. Click on the search icon and in the search bar, you could simply search for settings and head over settings. Now, once you're under your settings, navigate to the menu bar on your left-hand side, go to Bluetooth and Devices. Under Bluetooth and Devices, you have to click on Add Device at the top, but before that, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on here. Turn on the toggle. Now, you have to click on Add Device. After that, you have to put your AirPods in the case, open the lid and press and hold the back button until the lights start flashing white. After that, on your PC, under your available devices list, you will find your AirPods. There, tap on it to connect it. After that, now you are connected and then you can enjoy wireless audio on your AirPods. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.